See, she stopped, he stopped, because that little white one there is her baby. At the back, those two there, that's mum, that's baby.
Yeah.
Because of the foxes,
Yeah.
you've always got to make sure you take a see if they've got enough. The feed's just in there,
Yep.
which we do. Oh, there's the eggs. There you go. They're in there. So you can grab whatever's in there.
Oh.
You grab those.
Oh, 4 eggs, how come?
Yep. There's normally we get 4 to 5 a day.